and it shows up on your credit report. And so back to the other question about what is a hard inquiry. Well, there's two types of inquiries or inquiries. I'll use those two pronunciations interchangeably because I really don't know which is the correct way to say it. I heard people say inquiries, I heard people say inquiries, but it really doesn't matter, right? What matters is you get the point of what I'm saying. So a hard inquiry is one in which you applied for new credit within the past 24 months. That's a hard inquiry, which reflects negatively on your credit report by making your credit report reduce in points. You know, you have a FICO score, which ranges from whatever 400 maybe to the high 800s or maybe 900 something. And so each inquiry that you receive can put a hit on your credit score. So it may be, for each inquiry, it may cost you about at least 5 points. And again, I'm just giving you general information. I'm not saying that's exact, that each inquiry that you have will drop your score 5 points. I'm not saying that because they have their own algorithms and formulas of how they calculate your credit score. But I'm just saying, like, generally speaking, just to give you a shot in the dark, an estimate, a ballpark figure is like 5 points per inquiry. So when you apply for credit cards, when you apply for mortgages, any type of loan, any type of debt, that's a hard inquiry. And it reflects negatively on your credit report. Okay? A soft inquiry really has no effect on your credit report. A soft inquiry is an existing creditor or credit grantor, it's the same thing, a person who granted you credit. Let's say Bank of America, you already have a Bank of America credit card, and what they might do